Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Teams for meeting notes and tasks. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device and ensure you are connected to the internet. Locate the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the official Microsoft website to download Teams. Once the application is open, you will see the login screen. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account in the provided field. Click on the Next button to proceed. Now, enter your password in the password field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Teams main interface. On the left-hand side, navigate to the Teams section. Select the team where the meeting is scheduled. Click on the Calendar tab to view upcoming meetings. Locate the meeting you want to take notes for. Click on the meeting to open its details. In the meeting details, look for the Meeting Notes tab. Click on this tab to access the note-taking feature. Here, you can add, edit, or view notes from previous meetings. If tasks need to be organized, navigate to the Tasks app within Teams. This allows you to create, assign, and manage tasks related to your meeting notes. Remember to save all changes after adding or modifying notes. When finished, you can close the application or log out if desired. This process ensures your meeting notes and tasks are easily accessible in Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.